I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select a trigger CoBlocks form. Now, click on the Fetch button, then navigate to the CoBlocks form and fill it out to retrieve the data. After fetching the form, you need a unique key to define it. However, the CoBlock form doesn't provide the unique key. That's why I added a hidden field and gave its value as a unique key. Now fill out the form. Return to the integration site to view the successfully fetched data. Now check all the fields under the object. Then choose the hidden field as a unique key. Set action. Search and select an action Dokan. Connect to the Dokan. Dokan connected successfully. Next. Choose a task. I am choosing to create a new vendor. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in actions and conditional logic. You can use them for your requirements. Next. Finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Submit the form. Now go to the Dokan dashboard. Then navigate to the vendor. You can see that the new vendor has been successfully added in Dokan. Thanks for watching.